Sino po may-ari nung truck?
As of last night, hindi pa na-establish ng PNP, but based from initial messages from the regional director of PNP, si Director Tony Maralag, hawak na nila and kinukuha na ng statement yung driver, pati yung pahinante, and initial information was they are from Kalinga po.
Okay, from Kalinga galing yung kargang boulder, saan daw di-deliver?
Most probably doon galing. Hindi pa lumabas yung information na yan, Manong Ted, kung saan i-deliver.
Okay, kasi kung, ito lang po theoretically, no? Kasi kung yung cause ng bridge collapse ay yung truck, meron ba silang liability doon? Kasi nga dapat alam nung operator nung truck, kung yan ba'y construction company din, dapat alam ng driver na overloaded siya at I'm sure meron naman sigurong tonnage warning dyan sa tulay, di ba, bago ka mag-approach?
In fact, meron tong mga signage tayo doon na dahil meron pang mga retouch na pintura, ay meron doon mga signage na open to light vehicles.
Oh, yung nga po, kasi kung nasira mo yung tulay, anong pananagutan nung kumpanya nung truck? Kasi sinira mo 1 billion peso budget na project.
Well, Manong, we'll come to that with the legal minds of our regional office. Iniuna lang namin itong technical aspect muna. Ang sa ganun ay ma-determine kung anong real cost ng failure.
Opo. Sige po. Director, paano po yung dadaan dyan ngayon sa tatawid po ng ilog?
Meron pa yung dating dinadaanan, yung overflow bridge.
Okay.
So for the meantime, ay doon muna dumadaan yung motorista natin.